Hi guys, and this is our new tutorial where we talk about the Instagram application, and today we will show you how to check your liked posts, reels, etc. on Instagram. So let's go to this app, and right now we will show you the best and the simplest way to do it. After you are on your profile page here, you need to click on the three lines icon on the top bar of the screen. Later you have some specific option like your activity, and after tapping on it, you need to pick on the interactions feature. Later let's tap on the likes button, and well done, you have the list of all your liked posts, reels, and other videos. As you can see here, you can click on it and you will have you are able to check this selected post and reel later. Don't forget that you have another option, so if you have some trouble with Instagram app and you just don't have this your activity feature on the list, you have another way to check your liked posts, videos. After tapping on the three lines option, you need to go to the settings, which is the first option here. After using the search bar, you need to set the liked or likes feature, and you will have the manage likes option. Tap on it, click on it one time, and after picking, you are able to check the same liked videos without any troubles. You can do it again. So as you can see, we have two different ways, and we hope that this guide was useful and interesting for you. Don't forget to like this video and also to subscribe to our channel to find out even more interesting tricks in Instagram and other apps. Bye bye!